guys, Jack Neely here with MarineMax St. Petersburg. Today I am on board a 160 Super Sport. Boston Whaler is one of these boats that is true to my heart. It's a timeless feel with a lot of cool options. Up here on the bow, you'll see that I'm standing on a nice casting platform for all of your avid fishermen, but also you could throw a large cushion up here to make it a pad for the girls. Underneath us, you'll see there's a large anchor storage. Back here in the cockpit, you'll see that we have a large cooler scenario. You can always opt this as a little bit of a footrest when you're underway. But back here, you'll also see that we have a large bimini for the days that you're underway and need to get out of the sun. Here in the aft portion of this 16 Super Sport, you'll notice that it is powered by a 75 Mercury. Over here, you'll see that we do have two bucket seats. And this boat does come with a trailer. My phone number is 904-655-8383.